Hello students, good morning. Today we are going to learn global science. Please open your textbook, chapter 1. We are going to learn about animals around us. There are two main groups of animals. The first one is vertebrate. Scientists classify vertebrates into smaller groups. They are fish, amphibians, reptiles, birds, and mammals. We also learn invertebrate animals. Insects are the largest group of the invertebrates. Vertebrates. Vertebrates is animals with backbones. First, fish. Fish is vertebrates. There are two kinds of fish. The first one is freshwater fish. The example of freshwater fish are mollyfish, goldfish, and gouramin. And then seawater fish. The example of seawater fish are clownfish, seahorse, and puffer fish. Characteristic of fish. All fish live in the water. Fish have fins to help them swim. Tail is also a fin. Fish have gills to help them breathe in the water. The body of fish is covered with scales. The scales protect the fish. You can look at the body of fish in the textbook, page 4. Second, amphibians. Amphibians is vertebrate. Characteristic of amphibians. Most amphibians have a moist skin. Amphibians don't have scales. Adult amphibians breathe through lungs and their skin. Young amphibians breathe through gills like fish. Amphibians reproduce by laying eggs in the water. The young hatch from the eggs. These are some amphibians. The first one, salamander. Second one, toad. The third is frog. Third, reptiles. Characteristic of reptiles. The skin of reptiles is dry and hard. Reptiles have scales on their skin. Reptiles breathe with lungs. Reptiles reproduce by laying eggs. The eggs have cells to prevent the egg from drying up. Reptiles lay their eggs on land. These are some reptiles: lizard, turtle, terrapin, and snake. Fourth, birds. Characteristic of birds. Birds are the only animals with feathers. The feathers keep them warm and help some birds to fly. Birds breathe with lungs. All birds have a beak, two wings, and two legs. You can look at the body of bird in the textbook, page 7. The parts of the bird. It have eye, beak, feather, legs, and wings. Some birds cannot fly. They are penguins, flamingo. Next, mammals. Characteristic of mammals. Mammals are the only animals with hair or fur on their bodies. Most mammals give birth to their young, but the platypus and the spiny anteater are two mammals that lay eggs. Mammals produce milk to feed their young. These are some mammals: monkey, cat, giraffe, deer, and zebra. B. Invertebrates, animals without backbones. Insects. All insects are the largest group of invertebrates. The characteristic of insects. The body of an insect has three parts: the head, thorax, abdomen. There are two feelers on the head. All insects have 6 legs. The legs are on thorax. Most insects have wings. Insects reproduce by laying eggs. Are some insects: butterfly, mosquito, housefly. Science dictionary. You can take a look the dictionary over here. Thank you for your attention. If you have any question, you can ask your teacher. Have a nice day.